Jordan's someone that you meet and you just instantly are like, oh, this is a really amazing person that I want to be around. He takes so much pride in his work and has a ton of compassion for people in general. And so he's built these amazing relationships at Creekside, both with students, with staff, with caregivers who are in the building. In fact, he ran an improv club for our kids one year, which was so cool and just amazing, like contribution that he made.
He teaches and has very many teaching moment opportunities and allows children to help clean, to help do fix-its, just to he's a great role model.
So when I hired him at Creekside, he quickly went from like float to lead day person to now he's the trainer that they use for when they have new lead days. And that it just speaks to like his skill set and the way he's able to interact and make relationships with other human beings. Like he's just so talented.
Just not as an employee, but as a human being. He just goes above and beyond and out of his way to make sure that what's needed is taken care of. And he prioritizes everything and everyone. Like he takes pride in it. And I just love that work ethic.
His work is really something that we've come to rely on and value here. I love Jordan and I changed schools and I'm so sad that I couldn't drag him with me to the new building. If I ever have the chance to work with him again, I would jump at it in a heartbeat. So he's so amazing.
This award deals in what we all think and feel about him. He's so deserving, and him accomplishing this just because of who he is and being just himself is just amazing to me. So he deserves this. He's earned it.
I've been in the district 12 years, and it just feels really good to be recognized like this. And yeah, it's kind of the highest honor I could have hoped for as a custodian. So there's been, I don't know, over the years I've considered moving on, doing something different, switching jobs, but I've stuck with it and it feels really great. I was just blown away, surprised when I got the award. Didn't see it coming. Totally have to thank first and foremost my two night guys, Aaron and Jorge. They're the ones who keep this building spotless. They do an amazing job showing up every night. Also, Mark and Lorraine, my supervisors, they've had quite the couple of years here. They work themselves really hard, and I appreciate them, and just our awesome my school staff here at Creekside, and the maintenance department and the grounds department here in Prairie. They got my back and they're super supportive. I would not have this award without a huge team of people that support me. Being a janitor, it's one of those roles where you're at a party and someone asks what you do, and a little bit of stigma there comes up when you share that you're a janitor, but I believe there's ways to find meaning and to really make this line of work rewarding. Just trying to stay engaged with people and the kids every day is really my advice. It's not really about cleaning toilets or cleaning vomit or whatever. It's about the people. It's about the kids and the relationship. So just kind of engaging with that, and that's what makes it special.